Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. We were completed the revision of 8 chapters. Now we will start new chapter today. The chapter name is Our Home and Environment. On the way to your school or market or when you travel to another town, you see many things. Observe carefully the houses that you see. Note the construction, shape, building material, and other aspects of the different houses. Do some of the houses resemble the specimen shown above? There are different types of houses are given. Sometime when you are traveling with your family, जब आप घूमने के लिए जाते हो, you can see the different type of houses were built. अलग अलग तरीके के houses रास्ते पे आपको दिखेंगे. The different types of houses are built in our area. Here some questions are given. What material are used for building houses? Different kinds of material were used in building houses, like bricks, cement, tiles, and wood, and many more. Second question is compare any two type of houses that you see and note down the difference. As you can see, the picture C and D, two different types of houses are there. In first picture, you can see the sloping roof of tiles and the rectangular shape of house is present, which is built with the help of the wall is built with the help of bricks and cement. In the second one, you can see the multi-story building is present. Many differences are present in these two pictures. Then next question is, what are the different things from which a house give us protection? कौन सी चीज़ों से हमें house protect करता है? They are sun or from wind, from cold, rain, and the wild animals. Second question, in what way are the house A, B, and C different? Which of them appear to be the safest? First one is this type of house, and second is the hut covering with the leaf, which having a weak material used over there. So the most safest house is C, as this material is more stronger than the material used in these two houses. Then next question, which of the above house are mainly seen in cities, which are seen mainly in the rural areas? Mainly the house which we can see in the rural areas, they are the A and the C. This type of houses we can see in the rural areas. Think about your own environment and the climate there and choose the most suitable house for yourself by putting a tick in the box near the picture. आपके एरिया में कौन सा आपके लिए आपके इन्वायरमेंट के लिए सूटेबल हाउस है, यू हैव टू टिक इन दैट हाउस. आई थिंक द F1 house is the suitable for our environment and the building is suitable too for our environment, and the house present in the picture C is suitable too. We saw different types of houses in the picture. Their main use can be listed as follow. The uses of house are a shelter, they give us the shelter, a resting place, protection against the sun, wind and the cold and the rain, protection from the wild animal. जो हाउस होता है हमारा वो हमें काय से प्रोटेक्ट करता है, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स से. कीपिंग आवर सेल्फ सेफ फ्रॉम द एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स. Then the next one is, the above figures show a map of India and the type of houses that are common in the respective regions since the ancient time. Note how the construction or the structure of the houses changes from region to region. Some different types of houses were given in the picture. As you can see, the different region contain the different type of houses, or the construction of the different type of houses were built in a particular region. Some region names are given here: region of heavy rainfall, and the medium rainfall, low rainfall, desert region, marshy region, and the mountainous and a plain region. One column is given here. Observe the map and the picture of the house. Complete the following chart. You have to complete this chart. First one is given here is plain region. Which type of houses were built in a plain region? The houses which having a flat roof, which is made up of wood, and the construction of wall is with the help of stone, and the shape of the wall is just like the construction is rectangular shape. Next one is given is mountainous region. Mountainous region is here. Which type of houses were built? The slopy roof made up of tiles and the rectangular shape of house. The walls were built with the help of bricks and the cement. Next one is desert region. Desert having a squarish shape of house with the flat roof made up of cement. Next one is heavy rainfall region. Heavy rainfall region houses mainly having a rectangular shape, and the walls were made up of bricks and cement, and the roof were slopy, made up of tiles. And the last one is plateau region. Plateau region houses were generally small, made up of the hay and the wood in the slope, which having a slopy roof and the rectangular shape of construction it have. So you have to draw these column into your book. Nextly, people build houses to suit the climate of their region. Using the natural resources they are available, difference in the construction and building material give rise to the different type of houses. जो डिफरेंट टाइप का हम कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं या फिर डिफरेंट टाइप का मटेरियल जो यूज़ होता है बिल्ड करने में हाउस को, उससे क्या होता है अपीयरेंस जो होता है हाउस का दे लुक्स डिफरेंट. Water, food, clothes, and shelter are the basic needs of every human being. However, their needs are not fulfilled in the case of each and every person. The following situations arise. As some people don't have houses because their income is not that much. Around us we see many people who lack shelters. ऐसे बहुत सारे गरीब लोग हैं जिनके पास घर नहीं होते हैं. They seek shelter at the roadside. वो कहाँ पे shelter लेते हैं? फिर road side पे, on the footpath, under the bridge, and tumble down buildings, in railways or bus stations, and even on the open ground. जो ऐसे गरीब लोग रहते हैं वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं? फिर अंडर द ब्रिज और ऑन द फुटपाथ और ऑन द रेलवे, even in the open ground. Many people are forced to be homeless because they have insufficient or no means of livelihood. A section of our society being homeless in a social problem is a social problem for us, that many people are homeless in our country. That is why the government implement the many schemes to provide house to the homeless. जो government है उन्होंने many schemes provide की है homeless के लिए. In some of the cities, the government makes night shelters available to the homeless. Here one diagram is given in which different types of reason is given why the people become homeless. First one is unemployment. अगर कोई a particular person don't have a job, अगर उसके पास job ही नहीं होंगी, मतलब वो फिर income कैसी होंगी? Inadequate income he have. So the lack of affordable housing. जब उसके पास job ही नहीं होंगी तो उसके पास पैसे ही नहीं होंगे. अगर पैसे ही नहीं होंगे then he can't purchase the particular property to build the house. Then second reason is poverty and a natural disaster, physical and mental disorder. जो natural disaster की वजह से many of the people houses were destroyed because of tsunami, because of flood. फिर उनके पास इतना पैसा नहीं होता, सो दे कैन रीबिल्ड देयर हाउसेस, सो दे बिकम homeless. Here we concluded our topics for today. Thank you.